Alright guys, so we can read files, we can write files, easy stuff. The only other thing I want to talk to you guys about with sequential access files is how to append, aka add crap to the end of them. Now, of course, W is for writing, R is for reading, A is for appending. This is actually going to be really easy, and what I did is I deleted all the crap in my other text file. I want to make something new here, so let me think of something. Cheese, everywhere, even in my underwear, pudding hammock. Alright, so pretty sweet. Let me go ahead and save that, and this is my beautiful poem, a beautiful piece of art. However, I'm looking at it, and right now anyone can just claim this as their own, and I don't get any credit. So obviously, as the author, creator of this, I want to say this is my file, add my name to the end. However, I don't want to do it in this notepad editor because I'm too cool for that. So I'm going to add it with C programming. So, of course, we already are in append mode. And what this basically does is it takes your file pointer and moves it to the end of your file. So basically where my cursor is blinking right now, that's where my file pointer is going to be. Now I want to add my credits on a new line, so I'm going to have to kick this to a new line whenever I'm adding it in my program. So just take note of that. Now to print stuff out, fprintf, which pretty much means file print to it, and it takes two parameters. The first one is file pointer, and the second one is what text you want to print. Well, remember, my file pointer is on line 3 at the end of it, and I want to kick it on to a new line, and then I'm just going to put this is actually called a haiku, not a haiku. Spell haiku a little bit differently, add an L to the end. It's my own, I don't know, style of poem because I'm awesome, by Bucky Roberts. And of course we already closed it from the last tutorial, so now make sure that that original one is saved, and now write this, build and run, and check it out. Now when we open this back up, it added that line to the end of this file. So this is what we had before. This is where the pointer was. Kick it to a new line and append. So again, if you're working with something like when would this be handy, like stock information, and you downloaded like 3 years worth of information before and you just want to update it with the information from today, well, you don't want to have to download it again and write it to a new file. You just want to grab it from today, write one more line, and that's an example, one of the many of when appending would be useful. So let's actually close out of this, and the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is a random access file. Actually, I'm going to be doing that in the next video because I don't know, I just feel like it. So thank you guys for watching, and well, I'll see you then.